Hi everybody, Maciek Lyko here. I'm the Spa Mariana owner and I'm here in Daytona Beach with Inspiration Management for Millionaires Circle with Dory Sukap, who's my business coach forever now, way over 10 years. I'm here to let you know that writing the book is very easy process. In fact, yesterday somebody asked me, how long did it take you to write the book? I said, weekend. He was like, really? I'm like, yes, really. This is Dory has a very simple process to get you through, to take your topic and then write the book about it. So if you didn't do it yet, you must. It gives you lots of credibility. In fact, he asked me yesterday, what did it give to you? How much money did you make on this? You know, quite honestly, it wasn't about money for me, but more about showing my expertise and showing me as an expert out there and give me some credibility. So it definitely over delivered, exceeded my expectation, if you will, to have that done. In fact, I'm about to publish the second book with Dory, and it's coming soon. It's going to be about maximizing your massage therapy department profits. Simply 7 steps to client retention in the spa. So looking forward to publish it, and I hope you come and see us here and join us for this amazing events.